Generate a function to create line total, which is unit price multiplied by quantity in orders details table in NorthWind database. We need to first of all see what is in orders details table. As we can see, we have this unit price, we have the quantity, and we are asked to multiply them. That means to have a new column that multiply this by this in this table. Okay, if you want to do that, you follow the normal method. Create function, let's say line total, which is what? Unit price, which is in float, because this is float. This one is in int. You can also leave it in float, it depends on you. Okay. Quantity, let's leave it in int, which returns decimal. Let's still make it 9 too. You can define it by whatever you want to define it by. Deterministic. So we begin, then we declare the first line, which is line total now. In what? In decimal still. Okay. The next one is to set the line total to what you want to set it to. And we agree that what we want to set it to is unit price multiplied by quantity. So we copy, say, okay, is unit price multiplied by quantity. This is not case sensitive. Then you close this. The next line now, we return the line total that is coming from here. This is just to declare, this is to set, this is to return. We see close it. Then finally, what do? You end what? Then you still define what we go back to. This is familiar. I don't believe there's anything that confuses you here that require any further explanation with what we have done so far. All we're going to do now, just simply drop it. It accepts without error. All we have to do now to call it with select. Let's call all the fields that are available first. Then we now call this line total. Then what are the input? The input are the two fields, which is this unit price and quantity field. So we still go ahead and say, okay, the unit price field and the quantity field. Okay, then let's call this one line total. That is the header from orders details. There's a mistake here, sorry. Yeah, look at it. Every other thing you can see it ends here in discount. So after discount, we have a new line that is in float. You see, everything here is in float. This is what? The line total. Hope that was understandable. For instance, what if I wanted to calculate the sum of this line total? I will just do sum. Come here. Come here. Call it like sum. Still using the function. We are still using this function. Let's see. This is the sum. Or you are saying, okay, this sum is not actually in the right place. You can still go ahead and concat. Sorry, that is your format. I say, okay, what are you formatted by? This is the first thing that will be inside the format. Then in 2 decimal place. See, formatted. You are not still satisfied. Maybe you want to put something like $sign. You can still go ahead and put it. Concat. There you put the dollar sign or any other sign you want to put. So let's put dollar sign here plus this one. Then we close it here. So the dollar sign has come as per sum of the total orders. That's unit price multiplied by the quantity. Then you add everything and convert to this format. Hope you understand everything here. Thank you for viewing.